Inheritance tax on property in a trust varies depending on the trust type and transfer specifics. Chargeable trusts are subject to inheritance tax when created at 10-year intervals and when asset exit the trust. Trustees must manage tax diligently and ensure compliance with the legal requirements. Trustees are responsible for submitting accounts of chargeable transfers within a specified time frames. Property valuation and inheritance tax calculation depends on the type of trust and nature of the transfer. If property is added to a chargeable trust and later exits, the charges must be adjusted for periods when the property was not relevant. Understanding the specific trust type and property transfer details is crucial for accurate tax planning. This will ensure compliance with the relevant rules and regulations. We have uploaded more than 1,000 videos in our YouTube channel subject related to UK startup, business and tax.